How many signals can be given by 6 flags of different colors when any number of flags can be used at a time? So clearly here the n equals 6. Now what is R? So there is no restriction on R. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 at most. The minimum R can be 1 and the maximum is 6 when we use all the 6 flags. So R can never be greater than 6, of course, because if the total number of choices are 6, we can only make a permutations as large as the n can be large, not more than that. So now because there is no restriction on R, you have to compute all possible permutations with each R. First choose 1, then choose 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You see now the number of flags are 6, so we can't do it manually. Like if I show you 6 different flags and I show you, how can you do that? Of course the first one is easy. When R is equal to 1, I know that every time I can show only one flag, right? So I will show suppose blue, then the next time I will only show the red, okay, then it's gone. The next time I can only show blue. So if 1 mean I can only show 6, I can only give 6 signals with R is equal to 1. So when you take R is equal to 1, so it will be NPR and it's 6P R is 1 and my calculator tells me it's 6 as expected. So now you will calculate how many permutations you can make when R or the size of the permutation is 2. So once again the formula is same, NPR, which is equal to 6P2 and my calculator tells me now the number of permutations is 30. Okay, when R equals 3 means size of the permutation is 3, so how many permutations can I make? So you can think it as a series of small problems, NPR. So you have to calculate the individual number of permutations, and then when R changes, the size of the permutation changes, total number of permutations change. So when R is equal to 3, formula is still NPR, so 6P and 3, and let me see what my calculator tells me. So 6P3 equals 120, okay. And when R equals 4, so the total number of permutations 6P4 equals 6P4, and now the number of permutations is 360. Once again R is equal to 5, NPR equals 6P5 equals 6P5. Wow, it's 720 permutations. And of course the last one, when I use all the flags to give the signal, I mean total 6, I mean all the flags I have. R equals 6, so NPR 6P6 equals, and let me see what is the answer. So 6P6 is once again 720. Okay, so how many signals can I give when I use any number of flags at a time? Let's see, that will be the sum of all of these permutations. So now I will use my calculator to add 6 and then 30, 120, 360, 720 and once again 720. So total number of permutations are 1956. You can give the signals, a number of signals 1956. That's quite a large number, you see. So if you use any number of permutations,